The bird hide is a place where water is offered to birds. Photographers stay behind a green tarp which hides them from the birds. The first visitor was a male white bellied blue flycatcher. He was shortly joined by these puff throated babblers. An emerald dove struts out from the undergrowth to have a quick drink and is followed by a second. The hollow bamboo is also favored by birds who just want to take a small sip. The male flycatcher is joined by an Indian white-eye and then a black-naped monarch. A yellow-browed bulbul takes a splash, dries itself, and is off. A Tickle's blue flycatcher is accompanied by a trio of dark-fronted babblers. The Malabar starling stops to take a small drink and a splash. The orange-headed thrush drinks while casting furtive looks around. The water also attracts small insects to take a sip. A male and female white-bellied blue flycatcher look very different. A lesser yellow-naped woodpecker stops at the hide, a rare visitor. The flame-throated bulbul is a favorite amongst photographers. A female white-bellied blue flycatcher shows up and later a male appears at the exact same spot. A brown-cheeked fulvetta takes its time to bathe, carefully dry its feathers. The Indian yellow tit is a charismatic little bird. The white-rumped shama stops over for a drink and a bath before sitting on a post and singing. The little spider hunter is a small, striking bird. A sprinkler is received with delight by these sunbirds. The bird hide is an important tool to help bring people closer to nature. The water is also life-saving to birds and other animals during the dry summer months.